Breaking new ground, unveiling the essence of innovation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that often puzzles learners: break new ground. Join us as we uncover the depths of this expression, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations and writing. Stay tuned as we break down its meaning, origins, and how to incorporate it into your everyday English. At its core, break new ground is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of doing something innovative or pioneering that has not been done before. It implies venturing into uncharted territories or introducing new methods, ideas, or products. The phrase is commonly used in various contexts, including science, technology, arts, and everyday life, to highlight the novelty and originality of an action or achievement. Understanding the origins of idioms can be incredibly enlightening. The phrase, break new ground, originally comes from agriculture, where breaking the ground refers to the act of plowing land that has never been farmed before. This physical act of turning over new soil to plant seeds metaphorically translates into the realm of innovation, symbolizing the start of something new and the potential for growth and discovery. To truly grasp the usage of break new ground, let's look at some examples. In science, the research team broke new ground in their study on renewable energy, discovering a revolutionary way to harness solar power. In technology, the latest smartphone model breaks new ground with its unique, user-friendly interface and advanced security features. In everyday conversation, by starting her own online teaching platform, she broke new ground in the way languages are learned digitally. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like break new ground into your English can make your language richer and more nuanced. Here's how to do it. When talking about innovations or first-time achievements, use it to emphasize the novelty. In academic or professional settings, apply it to describe pioneering research or projects. Use it metaphorically in casual conversations to express doing something new or different in your life or career. We hope this exploration of the phrase, break new ground, has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to integrate it into your English vocabulary. Whether you're discussing the latest technological advancements or personal milestones, this expression can add depth and precision to your narratives. Keep pushing the boundaries of your English learning, and who knows? Maybe you'll break new ground in your language journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.